Good morning, Stephen and Joanne here, and we're in the veggie garden this morning, about to harvest a few veggies that are ready to be picked.
So what are we going to do today?
I'm going to get some beetroot first, because we can beat chocolate cake with beetroot.
Yes.
And beetroot juice or red beet with pork Scotch fillet steak.
Look at that one. It's huge.
Yeah. Look at the size of that.
Oh my goodness.
It's huge.
Dinner plate size.
Dinner plate beetroot. Oh, actually the little one came out with it.
Oh,
So normally I'll just twist like so, and then just you can break those off if you so desire. And then in the tray, that's a little one, good little roaster.
cute.
Yep, and then these go straight in the compost.
Composting.
Straight in. So we're just going to pull these big parsnips which have gone to seed, so there might be a big parsnip on the back end of it. Oh, it's not too bad.
Nice.
Yep. So good for soups and so forth.
Well, I enjoy parsnip and carrots.
Yeah, roast parsnip.
Yeah, together.
Oh,
They really go. Oh yeah.
beauty.
They go quite. What have we got here? Pumpkin.
That's a pumpkin. Yeah.
Not quite ready.
No, it's not quite ready. I'm just harvesting a few weeds. This used to be our...
which, by the way, always love a healthy garden.
Oh, absolutely. We grow weeds like it's going out of fashion. And they're very successful and prolific, and you want to feed the weeds, come and see us.
So, what does it mean, Stephen? Potatoes.
That's potatoes there, yeah. I remember planting some here last year, so they're obviously self-sown.
Oh, yes.
So we've got a few tomatoes to pick.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll start picking those. These are all the yellow ones. And you know, good to make some homemade relish with with homegrown tomato. It's beautiful compared to shop bought, you know.
Oh, yes.
There's a nice one.
Nice.
Yep. Once they get a bit of red on them, they're pretty good to pick, because they'll actually turn red. Get in a couple of days. That's the old saying, couple of days, mate. And she'll be right.
As I mentioned before, we've had a very good harvest of
Tomatoes,
tomatoes this year.
Some of the tomatoes are just sort of, you know, they get a bit of, they're dying off a bit, but they're getting plenty of water, which is one thing that tomatoes need. They need plenty of water. And nitrogen, obviously. Chicken manure, we're all a big fan of that. And hopefully you get a decent crop of tomatoes. There's only a couple of, they're a nice looking tomato there, but they're just not ready yet.
Yes.
Type
Which
thing.
is a good thing when they're staggered growth.
Oh, of course, yeah. You're not harvesting them all at the same time. So it's nice little to wash them up. There's another couple there. What else? Red one.
the rosemary, the bay leaves.
So we've got some coral lettuce. Coral lettuce here and here. That's a mint. This is oak leaf lettuce type thing. Well, actually, I think they sold it to me as cos. No, that's not cos, that's oak leaf. That's amazing, eh?
Yeah.
They sold it to me as cos lettuce, but that's actually oak leaf lettuce. Look at
Wow.
it. Look.
Yeah. So sometimes you don't know.
That's a cos there. That's a cos lettuce.
Yeah.
And that's different to that.
Yeah.
They're beautiful little lettuces. They're ready to harvest now.
So of course when you go to the local nurseries, sometimes you don't know what you have until it's planted and grown.
Yeah, that's right. Amazing, eh? These
Oh, nice.
These are all red.
Yeah.
There's a few more inside here as well.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Nothing like fresh tomatoes.
Fresh homegrown tomato, you can't beat it, eh?
No.
Tiny
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a good sign of a good garden, love. That's a massive big worm. That's just great for my garden. Oh, there's one. Tiny ones everywhere. Oh, I missed some red ones over there. God, they're everywhere.
Tiny tomatoes. And then you got one big tomato. Lovely. Are you eating tomatoes?
I'm eating tomatoes. That's the privilege of having homegrown tomatoes. You can just eat as you go.
As you can see, the tomato plants are growing up through Stephen's contraption.
Yeah, well that's what we. So what's going to happen is they're going to grow up.
Yeah.
Then they're going to keel over.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then they're going to get fruit that's going to form on here. They'll keel over, so it'll all be sitting on top of the grate.
Ah, yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Flower, very pretty. Here's our self-sown kale. The bugs loved it though a little bit, so we'll see how it goes.
A little coral lettuce, we can just harvest this one for lunch today. Beautiful. There, so it takes off again.
Yeah.
It's a little pumpkin.
Lovely.
Little roast pumpkin. Pumpkin chips. Roast pumpkin. Barbecue pumpkin. Pumpkin soup.
Capers.
Capers, yeah.
Very nice with fish.
Beautiful. New rhubarb. Let me see this stuff.
For our garden, we visit the local nursery.
dandelion, tea herbs, geranium, lemon, verbena, lemon.
Really good for you. Really good for you.
Oh man, smell that. Smell that, Jane.
Mmm.
Yeah, I'll have some of that. I'm going to buy a couple of passion fruit plants as well. Try them again.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We had such a good run on passion fruit last time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Hooroo.
Hi. Welcome to our garden. Whoops.
Yeah. Good morning. I'm Stephen.
Welcome to our garden. Time for a cuppa and a slice of chocolate and beetroot cake.